for Cedevita as that's contact. Will he get the continuation? He will. DJ Stewart, the hoop and the harm. Contact, you see the drive. Nice job to just create a little bit of... And the easy inbound pass for Miniotis. Guarding the inbounder, but the ball comes out to Žemaitis, and now Suleiman. Nicely worked to Baruchka for three, and he hits. Amadou Sou's second season in Europe, by the way, was in France with Edier Blas basket last year. As leaner in somehow from Juškevičius. Suleiman. Thurman, dribble drive. 15 feet out, he gets the bucket and the foul. Baruchka claiming the basketball for Wolves. The spin move, Kariniauskas, and again, and in. Stewart, Sau, Blažić, Matkovic, and Prepelic. Prepelic for three, and he hits straight away. It's Prepelic. Looking inside. Oh, look at that from Matkovic! The home crowd given reason to get on their feet. Biggest lead of the game was 16 in the second quarter for Wolves. Prepelic, the three-point leaner, goes in. His career EuroCup high 21 points as Klobuchar goes all the way in and trims the 7 seconds on the shot clock for Suleiman. Into the paint and able to get the bounce. Prepelic. Nice move. Will he get the bounce? He does, and one. Thurman posting up a long way from the hoop. Suleiman drives, kicks, and the set shot almost from Miniotis. He becomes the fourth Wolves player into double figures in scoring tonight. It's a 5-point lead as Prepelic, the alley-oop, hello to Matkovic again. The alley-oop advantage for Cedevita as Suleiman steps back and hits a very important two. Blažić pulls up from the elbow but misses, rebound. Taking Blažić for three, got it! Prepelic will bring the ball front court for Cedevita. Pulls up for three, got it! Running out of time, gets it away, nearly stolen by Stewart, but here's Suleiman. Comes inside, he's fouled and scores! Suleiman steps back, he's in trouble. Žemaitis, the three-point heave, got it! Gonna drive all the way. Laid back up, not in by Thurman. It's Prepelic, he'll heave from behind the halfway line, and that's it. Cedevita fought valiantly in that fourth quarter. They got as close as a single point, but Wolves able to hang on and move to 2-2.